All right, we got a project that we've been wanting to do for quite a while. It involves some lines. It involves a good day's work, or maybe a week's worth of work. We're at Jekyll Island Marina. We put up a little sunshade for us. Gives us a little bit of sun protection. Gonna be warm and humid today, Jekyll Island. And Sarah, I think you're sleeping. What are you doing?
I'm taking a nap.
She's taking a nap, she says. We are going to professionally install our own trampoline. Who's the professionals? Well, not us, but we're gonna do it. And you can see we're gonna stretch it pretty far out. But it does stretch this way pretty good. Did a mock fit up. It's gonna be interesting. I think it's gonna take us a day or two to put this on. Those lines that I showed you earlier, there's one for the port, one for the starboard, aft, and forward part of the lines. It's Dyneema, so it's not gonna stretch. Once we tighten it, it should be good. But we'll time lapse some of this, let you watch how we do it, how we mess up. Try to do it 5 times, I don't know. But that's our job for this week, is to we give ourselves a week to put this on. The old one, just old. It hurts the feet a little bit to walk on. This is like an offshore netting. Really nice. So that's what we're gonna be doing this week. All right, we started just unwinding everything, keeping all one line, but it's like it has a clove hitch underneath line. It's like self-locking itself, and it's very difficult. That, and we're gonna have to get the dinghy out to get underneath here. There's 2 more hooks underneath here. So to speed things up, we just started cutting it with some side snips and using a screwdriver and Phillips to loosen it up. But we got one edge of it done. Yeah, good start. All right, take 2. I'm putting up the netting. We gotta take breaks every once in a while. One, because it's pretty hot out here. All right, so let me show you what we have here. Here, hang under this for a second. We're gonna play some tunes while we're out here. All right, let's take a look at what we got so far. Doesn't this look wonderful? Through there, through there. Look at that. That's just wonderful. Oh, we got an extra grommet. Well, let's take a look, and Sarah and I said, let's take a look and see what they have on their website for putting this kind of netting on. Come to find out, we did it all wrong.
Multihull Nets has very good instructions on their website. Not in the little piece of paper they send you. So get on the website. Yes,
get on the website for putting on the netting. This will be handy for all you folks who are wanting to redo their nets. And who did we use?
Multihull.
We use Multihull nets, which is also called, it's also called this right here, Sunrise Yacht Products, St. Petersburg, Florida. That's where it's from. And it's gonna be nice when it's done. But now we gotta relace this whole side. Yeah, take this under. So what we're supposed to do is tie the corners off
With scrap line.
with scrap line, and then take off the old netting below it, and then do it the way the picture says.
We are going
and
to
then
double lace.
Yeah. And then you get it, and then it says to have a couple people go on to the net, stretch it out some, and tighten it again. Do that about 4 or 5 times. So it get the proper strength. But the hard part is getting off our other netting, because so many half hitches on everything. It's like everything's self-locking, and the line's really stiff. So that's taking longer than anything. Of course, the instructions say pros can be done by noon, non-pros can be done by supper. I'm just hoping to be done by the end of the week.
SunBums is gonna finish by midnight.
Maybe tomorrow midnight. But anyways, so all right, let's take that back off and take 2. I'm sure there'll be several more retakes on this. All right, we got it loose, and I had it extra tied off so it doesn't drop it off. And if we're lucky, our net's down there catching a whole bunch of fish. We'll have fish for dinner. This might be good. I might fall off.
Are we coming out here? Okay. Here's the picture. Ew, I didn't realize how dirty it was. Pretty gross.
That way when it rains, they'll get all the salt water off it, and then we'll throw it in the trash. Unless someone wants to use it for a fishing net, just let us know. We'll probably throw it away before
I think
then,
it'll be in
anyways.
the trash before
Yeah.
then.
All right, we got the one side done.
The right way this time.
The right way. We got a few heavy duty zip ties holding it on in place. Also tied it in place a few places. Corners are tied off. Couple zip ties there. Bungee cord there.
But I would say we're professionals now.
If we were done by noon, we would be professionals. Done by dinner time, we'd be just good.
What if we get done by dinner time now that we just started it?
I would say dinner time by, what is today? Tuesday?
Mm-hmm.
I say dinner time by Wednesday we'll be done.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
We'll see how that goes.
Oh, look at that. I messed up.
What?
I already messed up.
She already messed up. See? Caught it on film.
It's because you're talking.
It's because I'm talking to her. All right,
I need music.
we'll get back. Oh, we need music. Our trampoline has finally been installed properly, I think. Here's what we came up with. That's how it turned out. Now I have tightened it, gone around and tightened it at corners 2 or 3 times. Manufacturer says after a couple of months, go back and tighten it. So I have leftover line here, and I have like 3 or 4 half hitches on there. I'm not wrapping this all the way up right now, because in a couple months time I'm going to try to tighten it up again one more time, and then I'll finish wrapping it up, making it all look nice and pretty. That has a good little spring to it, and we like it. It's really nice on the feet. This is the gray color. Jekyll Island does have a small harbor marina, and this is where we're at for 8 days. Restaurant right there. We'll go there for a late lunch. Swimming pool. They have a grill here. It'll be 4th of July here in a couple of days. We're gonna use that. Get some burgers, maybe brats, hot dogs, I don't know. Here's the marina. Basically got one long dock. A few boats on this side. Got a few liveaboards here. And on the outside of the dock Here's some transients like us. There's the dock hands. They were very helpful, helping us come in. Hey guys, how's it going? Hey. They offer pump out service here. I know they charge here a little bit. $5 if you're staying with them, $10 if you're just passing through getting gas. There's a bridge we had to come over. We came in through the north side down here. This boat came in yesterday. Sarah and I helped pull them in. This guy right here, he lives here year round on his little houseboat. And here's our boat, SunBums. We finally got the netting up. And here we are. Neighbors behind us. And this goes on for a little bit farther. Not a whole lot of boats behind us. This is how they do some dredging here around Jekyll Island. Like I said, around here there's about a 6-foot tide, and look at all the stuff that shows up around low tide. I mean, high tide, it's way up there. Low tide shows all these shoals and mussels, and that 65-foot bridge in high tide becomes like almost a 70-foot
At low tide.
at low tide. 71 foot at low tide. Good view of the marina. Let's see what this restaurant looks like right by the marina. Not too busy. It's about 3 o'clock. Nice little bar. Hope they have a fish sandwich. I'll let you know how it is. Alright, we're on the bridge next to the marina. There's one above us, and I think this used to be maybe an old one. Maybe it had a drawbridge at one time because it connects over here. And then they built a new one that just went over top. But our catamaran's 1, 2, about 3 down. You can't really see it from this photo, but that's the marina from up above and a little bit to the north.